it's Adira. Oh, what's that? You want to sleep in Anis's room?
No way.
Oh, come on, Anis.
We already have our own rooms.
Oh, no. But there's a noise in my room.
What kind of noise?
I don't know. Let me stay, please.
Fine. Where's this noise? Let's check it out.
Wait for me. Anis.
Come on. Are you sure, Olive? There's nothing here.
There.
Oh, that noise?
Anis.
Oh, it's just the wind. Your window, it's wide open.